also come to school like this to learn how to be a leader. And you learn how to be led. You learn how to take pride in your preparation. You learn how to become accountable for your own actions, your thoughts, your choices. You got to be here to build a legacy for your last name. Winning is cool, to competing is cool. But when that ball stops, all you can stand on is your last name, your leadership, and your preparation. When you learn how to prepare with a passion and a purpose behind your preparation. Motivation without discipline is for the weak. In order to become great at anything, in order to become a great leader, a champion, to get to your next level, you got to be consistent in your preparation and your leadership. But the same morals, values, and characteristics that I learned from being a point guard, where I was able to start 4 years in college, every single game, broke almost every record as a point guard, that steals, assists in a career season in a game. I'm using the same morals and values in my life after sports.